Tokunadu Onyamomoga. Tokunadu Onyamomoga. When last did you kneel down on your knee? Decoration can eke. Ijeko. Where one white glass like a goggle. See like this in echo. Yes, with the tie to Afu the Bafo Gatozo. Echo like this. Members of the church. I don't know. They fit over. And one got him once so. Film. What else is the name of that image? Nyan is member. And they correct the name of Christianity. Oh no, about the reason why so many people do wear also Nemo Noka. Why so young bombo? Tokunadu. Enter the Nazarene. Now the Lord is our shepherd, we shall not want. But the members of your church wanted. The Lord is our shepherd. And the only that was shepherd. And the shepherd was his shepherd also. Man, I give us all the members of your church are poor. Yes, I mean talk about only way. How many members of Tokunadu? See the church poor. Here, our church, here, demonic church. All the members of Tokunadu, they are poor. So also Tokunadu, who the richest man under the church. Only Tokunadu. Tokunadu, only you get hotel. What do you want to do with the hotel? Can you hear pastor to hotel, eh? Hotel go down all. Only you get hotel. Only you get filling station. Only you get shopping mall. Only you get plaza. From where did you get the money? If not milking from the gullibles, milking from your members. As Jesus, as Jesus, after doing all those all those rubbish, are they rich? 90% of your members I am richer than them. Hey, when 1 naira, they are suffering and smiling. I don't go to church. I pray on in my own private place. I worship my God in my closet. All these people need to up and down. All the profit they are checking what do. You know, you could have for J West, you could have for J North, could have for J South, could have for J East. You see why get home again? About how do you know what are diplomatic passports? About over fly J America, J could have for na business class. You could have a for but all the guy come to the short to order or short to go 3 million for me. He heard it before. Last said the Lord of hosts, Lord that thou shalt not do this and do that. I am serving the living God because the Lord I'm serving is rich. So therefore, I will not be poor. I check out where go. 10 years on your God, 1 million naira. Your church, holy gods, bisagons, who claim to worship God, but they are worshiping Tokunadu. And in a quarter line, number 1 million. People who have never given their father since their father gave birth to them and their mother. They have never given their parents 1 million. But they will line up and give over 1 million naira. 500,000. A lady, you will be thinking that this lady, almost 100,000 accounts. It got a surprise. One year not give away. Na social media, but I could borrow 2,000 OT accounts. I could borrow about that and give away. Then we T account. He had a surprise. I give away the social media. I put a line, then you're talking to 500,000. That is why to do give away these days, Buna. All but I think I got them, but I know so for them, I am Bugari. The poor. I don't know whether I am Bugari, but what else before? No, not at all. Whatever I give away, yeah, Chicken and Rekele. 80% of it here on Facebook not give away. They are very, very rich. So once their pastor say, give, it shall be given unto you. Press that, check it together. The man give unto your person. And in a Susuru, when they go out to Sada about Tokunadu, how we go. That's the Nonya Bush Shepherd, or in Azatoro. They make sure not to write a bush, you didn't. Richard didn't. Now, as I was saying, go again, go Gary. Members again, they poor. Tokunadu, I pour you. Poor. I pour you for peace. Now, mumu pastor you be, milking from the gullible. Your members are poor, your members are red, your members are nothing to write home about. It's only you that are rich. Only you get hotel. Your members, none of your members get hotel. But Tognadu, you get hotel. None of your members get filling station. Tognadu, you get filling station. None of your members get plaza. Tognadu, you get plaza. None of your members worth billions. Tognadu, you worth billions. So why am I going to your church if I'm the one going to your church? Anybody who go to Tognadu church will remain abject poverty from today till the day of use set of people. Gabanoka, Unagawo Noka. Odaga Akusu, Daibube, Asana, that's Akusu, just not my business of overthrow. Guy, maybe that does not mean that he maybe in our society. Just go and thank your star. Go and thank your God in Imo State. That your type number by now, Soludo would have used you to shine. Yeah, Soludo would have used you to do what? To shine. Just road major Ogarato Banana. Ogara every time I listen to her. Old major Oganamama. There are things need to be tolerated in the state, and there are things need not to be tolerated. People like you, Nora by now, no office in do gachi. When I say I will change, I will repent. No office in do gachi. I forgot Oyeza Jesus. The difference between you and Oyeza Jesus, brother. Oyeza Jesus na joining K with Habal, na joining K with Arose, na joining K with Abarakataba. Over Dominado, Tinoka. Catino Manada. Mezian or the two local, but I go over the foreign. Portai, Dimena Portai. Yet I didn't doctor if you don't know. Dimena Portai, and it's a forgivable talk. Cool like this car power. Milking the members. Keep on deceiving them. On the last day, people like Tokunadu will be on the front line of hellfire.